In this video, we are going to demonstrate a fantastic way to boost your N26 experience by inviting your friends and earning a referral bonus. Before we dive into the details, please take a moment to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Media Magnet Guide, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up to show your support. Plus, here's a special invitation. If you don't have an N26 account yet, use my referral link in the description to create an account and start your N26 journey with a bonus. Let's start by accessing the Refer a Friend feature in the N26 app. Open the N26 app on your device and log in if you haven't already. In the main app interface, you'll usually find the Refer a Friend or Invite Friends option in the menu. This is typically represented by an icon or text in the app's settings or profile section. To access it, tap on the menu icon or navigate to the settings or profile section within the app. Depending on your device and the app's interface, this may be located at the bottom, top, or in a sidebar. Once you're in the settings or profile section, look for the Refer a Friend or Invite Friends option. It may be labeled differently, but it's the feature that allows you to invite friends to N26 and earn rewards. When you find it, tap on this option. You'll now be presented with various methods to invite friends, such as through email, SMS, or by sharing a referral link. Choose your preferred method, and the app will guide you through the steps to invite your friends. They'll receive an invitation to join N26, and once they sign up and meet the requirements, both you and your friend will receive a referral bonus. Additionally, in the video description below, you'll find a referral link. You can use this link to easily invite your friends to N26 and start earning rewards. Be sure to check the terms and conditions for the referral program to understand the eligibility criteria and bonus details. There you have it. Inviting friends to N26 is not only a win-win for both you and your friends, but it's also incredibly simple. If you found this tutorial helpful or have any questions about the referral process, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more useful tutorials. And remember, if you're new to N26, use my referral link in the description to create your account and get started with a bonus. For more in-depth tutorials and valuable information, visit mediamagnet.business. You'll discover a variety of resources to enhance your tech knowledge. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.